Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove highlights on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove highlights on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon and a small circle. Tap on it and you'll be able to find all of your highlights over here. You can see my highlight over here of my keyboard pick. Now in order to remove that picture as a highlight or delete it from highlights, let's tap on it. And again, let's tap on the three dotted icon at the bottom right corner of the screen where it says more, and you'll be able to see the remove from highlights button over here. If you tap on the remove from highlights and again remove photo, you can see guys, let's reload it. That has been removed, or that picture has been removed from highlights. And then guys, this is how to remove highlights on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.